We have an upper level disturbance to our west, and that's what's been giving us these rounds of showers and storms. Woke up a lot of West Texans early this morning. I know I was definitely one of them. Not a whole lot of severe weather, thankfully, this morning, and that's been the case this afternoon. No large hail, no gusty straight line winds, no tornadoes or anything like that. We do have a couple of flash flood warnings in effect in these green shaded polygons. You see those red areas on radar, especially eastern portions of Schleicher County down towards Sutton County, making their way towards Menard and Kimball counties. We do have two flash flood warnings in effect, one stretching down from Christoval, southern portions of Tom Green County towards Kimball and Sutton counties, and another one for the community of Sonora in western Sutton counties. So a lot of rain has fallen in these regions, potentially upwards of 3 inches. Also some rain to the west of Abilene, maybe a rumble of thunder. Not severe though, between Roby and Snyder looks to be the strongest of the storms. Keeping an eye on these storms towards the Midland, Odessa area, stretching all the way back towards New Mexico, north of Wink. Some of those storms could be making their way towards West Texas. I'm not overly concerned about the severe weather threat. With all the rain we've seen, we certainly could see some flash flooding concerns. So just remember, it only takes a foot of moving water to move small cars and 18 inches to 2 feet of fast moving water to move those larger vehicles. So please just make sure you're staying safe on those roadways. Turn around, don't drown. Going forward, by about 10 p.m., that's when some of those storms just to the west of Midland are going to be making their way into the Concho Valley in the Big Country. I think this version of Timecast might be overdoing coverage a little bit, but by midnight, I do think we'll be seeing some scattered showers and thunderstorms across the area. By 6 o'clock in the morning, that first batch will be moving towards I-35, and we might see a little bit of redevelopments late morning Wednesday. And by Wednesday afternoon, some more scattered showers and thunderstorms across the Concho Valley. Some of them might be strong to severe. I think the greater threat, though, is going to be that heavy rainfall threat. We in West Texas know it doesn't take a whole lot of rain, especially given how wet the spring was, to lead to some flash flooding problems. By Thursday, though, that's when it looks like that upper level disturbance I was just talking about is going to move off to the east. And that's when we'll start seeing some clearing skies and some warmer temperatures. Fathers across West Texas, unfortunately, your day is looking to be pretty hot. I'm forecasting highs in the mid, potentially upper 90s. 72 right now in San Angelo. We had quite the light show earlier this evening, and there you go, a flash of lightning from that thunderstorm in San Angelo. It's not severe. It is leaving some wet roads across San Angelo. So just make sure if you're stepping outside for any of those Tuesday evening plans, you are taking it safe. We have a low threat of strong to severe storms. That combined with the threat for potential flash flooding is why we have that weather impact alert in effect for the next couple of days. 1 out of 5 marginal risk from the Storm Prediction Center south of San Angelo. Potential for some quarter-sized hail, some gusty straight line winds up to 60 miles an hour. And a similar story for your Thursday. Not as much of a concern for the Big Country. That's certainly some good news after how active it has been for you folks in the Big Country. 69 right now in Snyder, 77 for you in Abilene. I'm forecasting a high of 81 tomorrow. Just make sure that you're staying weather aware. You can find the full forecast online. Bert?